Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sakshi here, and today we'll be making this really yummy eggless chocolate chip cookies. These are a healthier version and they turn out just perfect. So this is the list of ingredients that we'll need. You can also find them in the description box below. Let's get started. I have here half a cup of rolled whole oats and I've pulsed them into a powder. Next, in a bowl, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and a tablespoon of oil. Then we'll add in half a cup of brown sugar and whisk it very well together. We need a completely lump-free mixture. You could use a hand blender, and a spatula will help in breaking the lumps. So we'll mix it really thoroughly. Once it becomes more finer like this, we can then add in 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Try to get a thicker curd or hung curd. We'll whisk that very well together too. So this is a nice smooth mixture. We can now add in half to 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and the pulsed oats. We'll also add in half a cup of wheat flour, but remain some on the side for some time. We'll mix this well again. Add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt, which will really help to enhance the taste. And gradually, with the help of a spatula and a whisk, we'll mix it very well. Next, in the wheat flour, which we left aside, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chunks and 2 tablespoons of cashews. We'll mix this very well together and then add this to the mix. This will help in preventing the chocolate chunks from settling at the bottom while we bake it. We'll also add in the baking powder and soda and give it a very good mix. So this has been thoroughly mixed, it's ready. We'll let it set in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until it's a little more firm. This is now chilled and ready, and here I have a baking tray which has been lined with the butter paper. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop and make the cookies. You could use even a tablespoon or just make it with your hands. It's totally up to you. We'll pat it gently from the top and make all of them. Leave the distance of at least 2 fingers between the cookies because they will spread. You'll also have to flatten the surface of the cookies before we bake them, otherwise they'll turn out really big and fat. We'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 17 to 18 minutes and then they're ready to serve. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Please do give it a try and share your reviews in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!